to the last day of Manila Auto Salon 2025.
Umabot lahat ng entries namin to the last minute, to the last second. The whole team fighted for victory.
The third Best of Show Sport Club award goes to
No map, no limits, only the mission.
Team White Maxwell the Dodge Ram Bravo. Collaboration with Autobot Off-Road PH.
Steel, grit, and Autobot power blazing through the wild.
What I can say about the boot, goddamn, it's hot as hell. Actually, ganito yung mga boot sa SEMA, sa Las Vegas.
We try to bring the SEMA vibe here at Manila Auto Salon, and thankfully, siguro, we did it. The team did it.
When the ground breaks, Autobot Off-Road pushes harder.
The project Overlandia, they really built it from scratch. They took up everything and they built it up. Kaya ang ganda. They always go in beyond. That's why they're always winning.
First of all, I would like to thank our God. Kung di dahil sa Kanya, wala tong panalo na to, wala tong team na to, wala tong pamilya na to.
Lord, para sa iyo to, another Best of Show Sport Cup and all our clients and followers. Thank you, thank you.
We will never disappoint you, and we promise to bring something really, really big and unexpected and never seen before this 2026, God's will.
Where roads end, Autobot Off-Road begins.